Good morning, everybody. You guys should already know what it is. I haven't weighed my pickers for a year. I think I had around 6 grams before. So let's go ahead and weigh our pickers. All zeros. 1 second, y'all. This is 95% all Ohio pickers. I think this would be around 10 grams, but I'm not too sure. Oh, yeah. Nice. Yeah, I have not weighed it since last year. I had right around 6 last year. These are all Ohio pickers. Let me get a pan real quick. We'll dump that out. Man, I don't like the way gold looks in the red pan, but that's all we got right now, y'all. $10 grams, all Ohio pickers. How am I gonna get that out once I dump it in the pan now? Man, I don't think I can dump that in there. That's some pretty ass gold for Ohio, y'all. Took me just short of 4 years to get all them pickers in Ohio. That's all the pickers that I can pick up with my fingers, or just with tweezers. Some of them smaller than my fingers, but all right, y'all. Yeah, I can't dump that in the pan. It'd be way too hard to pick up. It'd take me forever. All right, y'all. Just want to show you a little bit of gold from Ohio. That's all pickers from Ohio over the last 4 years. And here's all the finds. It's all my Ohio finds. That's all gold in there. Feels like a pound. Alright, y'all. Peace. I spilled something putting them back in there. Such nice pickers. You can tell that one there is from North Carolina because it's not flat. You can tell that one there is either from North Carolina or Montana too. I don't know, that one may have came from Ohio. But it definitely just came out of the rock, so that one. Yep, Ohio pickers, baby. Peace. Thanks y'all for watching. Take a second to like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment below. I answer all comments. MVP out.